Kia ora. IT training, University of Otago, on manually adding a reference in Endnote X8. To manually add a reference, you can use the New Reference button or from the References menu, New Reference. Either one opens up a new reference window. Fill out the details of the reference, choosing the kind of reference it is, and whatever individual details are appropriate for that form of reference. If entering in people's names, the most reliable format is surname, first names. And if entering corporate authors, the most reliable format is to enter the corporate author and then put a comma in to have it all form a surname. The reference creation screen can appear slightly differently depending on what options are chosen in the toolbar. And if you want to attach a PDF to a reference, there is an Attach File button in the toolbar. When you have completed typing the reference, if you close the reference, it is saved back to your library. Many people tick stop showing the message so that it auto-saves. If you want to edit the reference, you can open it up and do more work on it, or create more references by repeating the process.